study abroad experience is very unique, or it's very different compared to just a traditional lecture class, because we do a lot of active learning. So we go to a lot of site visits, we do a lot of tours, and we're really just experiencing things firsthand in a very concrete way.
Having an internship as a part of my study abroad is incredibly meaningful to me. It absolutely enhances what it means to travel abroad. It really allows me to improve my communication skills to be abroad. Not just the language barrier, but there are so many things that I don't understand, and I have to come from a position of humility to try and understand things that are vastly different from where I come from. And not only learning to understand them, but adapt to and thrive in it has been an incredibly enriching experience.
The benefit of having Georgia Tech students here with us is an energetic thing. It energizes me, it energizes the company, because they always bring something new.
I would recommend this program because it gave me both the opportunity to enhance my professional development through my internship and also my cultural immersion through all the guest speakers and site visits, providing me a first-hand view of the cultures in Europe.
With this experience, I've not only been able to widen my creative perspective, I guess, but also the cultural perspective by kind of seeing the slight differences between American and Hungarian culture as well.
One of my favorite parts about the study abroad program and what makes it stand out from the others is that we get to work firsthand with some internship partners. Me and my partner work with an organization called the Association for Conscious Consumers. It's so easy to be able to separate us as tourists from the locals here, but being able to interact with people who are so welcoming and open to our ideas, and also having some people that we can learn from, is very valuable.
So my favorite part of my internship would have to be teaching the hip hop dance class to the young teens. It was honestly a really fulfilling and human experience, and I probably learned more from them than they did from me.
The favorite aspects working together with the Georgia Tech students is that the children of Canada can experience that even though they are not speaking the same language, they can overcome this language barrier and they can have a great time together.
I would say this opportunity is perfect for someone who doesn't necessarily know where they want to go in regards to their career. It definitely opened my eyes to a lot of different experiences and professions that are possible and within my reach. So I would say definitely, if you're wanting to hear more firsthand experiences from people who are already in the work industry, it's definitely an awesome experience.